Hey guys, welcome again to learnbasics. This is Vish. So if you are worried that how to type in mathematical formula in MS Word, so this video is going to be a very interesting video for you because I'm going to tell you very simple methods. Through that you can type any kind of mathematical formula, guys, any kind of mathematical formula in MS Word. Okay, does not matter it is equation, does not matter it is trigonometrical function, does not matter it is alpha, beta, gamma and what. Okay, whatever the mathematical formula you can type according to your choice. Okay, means as you want it will type the same there. Okay, so if you wanted to know that how we can do it in MS Word, means how we can write any kind of mathematical formula in MS Word, so just stay with me, keep watching this video. See that how we can write mathematical equation in MS Word. Look as what happens, sometimes we get a very critical kind of equation which we need to type on MS Word, and for that we don't have any proper option available. So in such cases we have maths input panels available. Okay, so how will you get the math input panel and how it works? Let's see. So go to the search option and type here math input panel. As you can see, when I write maths, so it's showing here math input panel. So when you click on that, this kind of window will open. Okay, as you can see, this is the window, and here are some options: write, erase, select and correct, undo, redo and clear. Okay, so how it works, let's take a look. Suppose we wanted to write a simple equation. Suppose we wanted to write x minus y square. So suppose this is right button here, you can click on that. Now simply write x with the help of your mouse. Okay, x minus y, okay, square. Simple. So when you write x minus y square, as you can see, whatever I'm writing here, it shows here. Okay, x minus y square. Okay, if suppose anything wrong, suppose you wanted to write here a and it's showing here x. Okay, so simply click this option, select and correct. Okay, and select this one. It will show you many option. Okay, so now you can choose according to your choice. Okay, after that, so when your equation is completed, so simply press insert button. As you can see, it is here now. Okay, click this insert button. Okay, and this equation will be here on your MS Word. So let's see that. Click insert, and now just a moment. Yes, as you can see, I have clicked insert and now equation is here. So guys, this is how you can write any critical mathematical equation on MS Word with the help of math input panel.